1758, Tide Runners, has got the master lead right now, followed by 1824 for 5D Steakhouse. 1756 is third place for In Machining. Fourth place after day one total, 1724, is ES Custom Boats. And fifth place, 1672, Team 365. Everybody out to 5D Steakhouse right here in Fort O'Connor, Texas. Man, what a beautiful day we've been blessed with. This is the 2023 POC Freezeout Tournament, the final day of competition. Team slinging it, 20.89 pounds. Read your scale, get you locked in at 874, almost 9 pounds. Y'all put your hands together for your big red of the day. Team Shoalwater giving this team a two-day total of 1614. Thank you so much again to Texas Parks and Wildlife for coming out and taking care of our fish and getting them back in the water alive. Can y'all put your hands together for them? That's going to give you a two-day total of 30.92 pounds. I'm going to give them a two-day total of 33.25. One big red going to weigh in at 8.37 pounds. Get him up. Let's get a picture. Good job, brother. 39. Team Waterloo Rods. Total weight of 3079 over the 2 days. Yesterday, 1493, 1586 today, so a little bit of an improvement. I'm going to give them a two-day total of 3325. They got to have 874 to take the lead. Their big red, 879. There's your new big red of the day. Man, another good trout limit. Look at this, y'all. They had over 11 yesterday. 1154 is their trout limit. Wow. 3609 for the 2 days. 5D Steakhouse team of Mark Robinson with 3609 total two-day weight. Y'all put your hands together for them.